Imagine this. You have a huge folder full of files, logs, and reports. All you need is one line, one word, a tiny clue hidden in that mountain of data. How do you find it? You can't search by hand. That's where the little hero shows up, Grep. A small tool, but mighty. It helps you search inside files, like you have a digital magnifying glass. What is Grep? Simply put, Grep searches files for any word or phrase you tell it to. You type what you're looking for, and Grep grabs it and shows you where it appears in seconds. For example, if you look for error, Grep will return every line that contains that word. Easy, right? Case-insensitive search. Sometimes the same word appears in different cases. Use -I. The -I option means ignore case. That makes Grep treat uppercase and lowercase the same, so you won't miss matches because of letter casing. Extracting specific parts. If you only want a specific piece of each matching line, like a number or an IP address, use -O. The -O option prints only the portion of the line that matches the pattern, not the entire line. That's handy when you want to extract IDs, IPs, or short tokens from long lines. Searching entire folders. If you want to search inside an entire folder with many files, use -R. The -R option makes Grep search recursively through subfolders, so it checks every file inside that directory like a detective going room to room, skipping unnecessary files or folders. Sometimes, you don't want Grep to waste time inside big third-party folders or modules. Use --exclude dir to tell Grep to skip those folders. This keeps your search fast and focused on the files that actually matter. Inverting your search. If you want to ignore certain lines from the results, for example lines that start with a comment marker, use -V. The -V option inverts the match, returning lines that don't match your pattern. Perfect for filtering out noise and keeping only what matters. Searching for multiple patterns. To search for multiple patterns at once, like error or fail, use -E. The -E option enables extended patterns so you can use, or logic, like error or fail, and get lines that match any of them. Real cybersecurity example. Let's say you're analyzing login logs, and you want to find IPs behind failed logins. You can combine options like -O-P, -O to print only matches, and -P to enable powerful Perl-style regular expressions. That way, you can extract complex patterns like IP addresses with ease. Sort and remove duplicates, and you've got a clean list of suspicious IPs ready for investigation. Real-time monitoring. If you want to watch logs live, use Grep with a continuous feed and enable -- line buffered. That makes matches appear immediately as new log lines arrive, perfect for real-time monitoring screens. Highlighting matches. For readability, make matches stand out with -- color equals auto. This option highlights matched words, so your eye finds them instantly. Limiting results. Want to stop after a few matches? Use -M to limit how many results you see. For example, show only the first 3 matches. It's great when you just need a quick preview. Quick challenge. Find all to-do notes in your folder. Use -M to show only the first 3 results. Try -V to invert the search and see what changes. Remember, don't memorize commands, understand them. You can mix and match them to solve any text search problem you face. Final thoughts. Grep is more than just a search tool. It's your smart assistant for uncovering secrets inside files. Whether you're analyzing attack logs, hunting for leaked keys, or cleaning up messy data, Grep is always on your side. Master Grep, and you've taken your first real step into the world of digital forensics and cybersecurity. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next cybersecurity lesson.